Hello, so time for another Aldi haul for another week's shopping. So a 4-pack of baked beans, a cup shot, some mini cheddars, safari snacks, safari snacks, 2 pasta and sauce, cheese and broccoli, 2 packs of spaghetti, some pears on the Super 6, some apples on the Super 6, and they are Royal Gala apples, some red onions on the Super 6, some carrots, garlic, 4-pack of white onions, cucumber, 3 passatas, some pea snacks, salt and vinegar flavour, they've been eaten, cherry tomatoes, 2 Benefit summer fruit bars, yes, just a minute, nectarines, 2 British Charlotte potatoes, they were on the Super 6. Okay, go on then.
And we've got some
tomato puree.
Yes, tomato puree. And
so some kidney beans, 3 tins of. What is it then? Come on. What is it?
Peppers.
No, 3 tins of chopped tomatoes. 2
cans of sweet corn.
Yeah.
And
2 packs of different food and freezer bags, a small and a medium. A skimmed and a semi-skimmed and skimmed milk.
And
some lightly dusted yellow thin sauce.
It's 2 cans of
2 raviolis.
2 raviolis that I call pasta.
2 cans of mixed beans.
And kinder beans. Mouthwash for my daddy, which is just next door.
What's that?
And some broccoli.
Some figs. And which one I think we're on the Super 6. And some mushrooms. And the last couple of bits to show you. So we've got a beef joint, 2 lots of chicken drumsticks, some cumin, 6 pre-range. We've got some beef stock cubes, some multi-surface wipes, a tuna, 4 tins of the tuna flakes, and there's 2 chilli and onion, 1 sun-dried tomato and tomato and onion, mixed peppers, iceberg lettuce, and some bananas. And so that's 2 packs of bananas we got, and altogether it was £45.89, and that's everything for a week. Bye.